I'm attorney Justin Ziegler of JZ Helps, a Florida injury law firm. Today I'm going to explain what a closed claim is, when an insurance company closes your claim, how to get it reopened, and when a closed claim really is a closed claim. Stay tuned to find out all of these interesting things. JZ Helps, a Florida injury law firm. The most common situation when an insurance company closes your claim is it's because the insurance company hasn't heard from you in some time. They haven't received medical records and bills for you, etc. Understand that a closed claim is totally different than an insurance company denying liability or denying insurance coverage. A closed claim just means that your claim is inactive, whereas if the insurance company denies liability, they're saying we are not at fault. If they deny coverage, they're saying even if we are at fault, there's no insurance coverage that would apply to your personal injury case. You get a claim reopened by just calling the insurance company or writing to the insurance company. I'm going to give you an example of a claim where an insurance adjuster told me that the claim was closed and I was able to get it reopened. A client of mine was at a hotel in Fort Lauderdale, and while he was showering, he opened the shower door and the door broke and sliced his leg, and he had some bad injuries. We settled the case for $31,500, but prior to settling that case, we also made a claim against the installer, the glass installer. There was a period of time where we didn't communicate with the glass installer because my client wanted to get more medical treatment. He didn't want to settle the case prior to completing his medical treatment, which is what I generally recommend in most cases, particularly those if you're hurt at a hotel or other establishment. You want to wait till your injuries are completely known and you've hit what's called maximum medical improvement, which means you are as good as you're going to get. So after reaching out to Ace Insurance Company, who was the insurer for the glass installer, I called them again and the adjuster said, the claim is closed. And I said, okay, let's reopen it. And she gave me a bit of an attitude, and eventually she was able to reopen the claim. But I can see how the average person who doesn't have an attorney would call and maybe think when the adjuster said the claim is closed that it's permanently closed, but it's not. Now, Ace Insurance Company ultimately offered $10,000, and the only disadvantage with the insurance company closing a claim is it may take a day or half a day or some amount of time to reopen the claim and make it active again. There's one situation where a closed claim truly means a closed claim forever. That is if you blow the timeline to file a lawsuit, which in Florida, generally speaking, in a personal injury claim, if you're injured at a hotel, is 4 years. An uninsured motorist claim is 5 years. And there's some other different time frames where you have to give notice in order to sue, and shorter time periods to sue in Florida. I hope you got a lot out of this video. Please subscribe, please comment below. I'm attorney Justin Ziegler. My office is in Miami. I serve the entire state of Florida.